Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a healthy, nutrient-dense and filling ragi soup recipe perfect for dinner. So let's get started with the recipe. To make healthy soup for dinner, I have 1/4 cup of chopped carrots, 1/4 cup of chopped beans, a small handful of green amaranth leaves. Instead of green amaranth, you can use any seasonal green leafy vegetable of your choice. 4 to 5 shallots. Shallots are rich in iron and folate, hence I like to use them in my recipes. However, if you don't have shallots, you can use 1/4 of an onion instead. A small piece of ginger. I'll be grating in about 1/4 of this ginger. Green chili, I'll be using only half of this green chili. Green chili you can increase or decrease as per your taste. 1/4 cup chopped capsicum. 2 onion flower stalks. This is to garnish. Instead of this, you can use spring onions. Since onion flower stalks are in season right now, I'm using this. Now, instead of all these vegetables, you can use any seasonal vegetable which is available at the place you live in. Any seasonal vegetables and greens of your choice are ideal. I'm heating my clay pan with 2 teaspoons wood pressed sesame oil, also known as till oil or nallenna in Malayalam. That is 2 teaspoons wood pressed sesame oil, and then lightly swirl the pan so that the oil is coated over the pan. Healthy cooking is all about using the right quality of oils. So try to use wood pressed oils in your diet for your better health. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding in half teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds. And once the jeera splutter, reduce the flame to the lowest, and I'm slicing in the shallots. Give it a good stir and allow the shallots to turn transparent or light pink in color. Once the shallots are transparent, I'm finally chopping in half of the green chili. Green chili you can increase or decrease as per your taste. I'm grating in a little bit of the ginger. Give it a stir. Jeera and ginger helps with digestion. Next, I'm adding in the chopped carrot and the chopped beans, green beans. You can also use green peas instead of beans. I'm giving it a good mix. I'm adding in pink Himalayan salt as needed. Give it a good mix. Allow the vegetables to lightly saute on low flame. I have a handful of green amaranth leaves and I'm chopping them into this. Give it a good stir. Allow the amaranth leaves to get sauteed along with the vegetables. This is a very quick and easy, filling and nutrient dense, simple soup ideal to have as a light dinner. While the vegetables are sauteing, I'm freshly grinding about half teaspoon whole black peppercorns. Freshly ground black pepper has an amazing flavor and also helps to retain its nutrients. I'm adding in 3/4 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper. You can increase or decrease black pepper to suit your taste. Add in the black pepper powder. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Today I'm using Vigon turmeric, which has high curcumin content. Into this I'm adding in 2 cups of water. Cover and bring this to a boil. I'm using ragi flakes in this soup recipe. Ragi, also known as finger millet, is a whole grain and it is gluten free. It is rich in fiber, hence ideal for weight loss and diabetes. It's a good source of calcium, good carbs, amino acids and vitamin D. The high iron content in ragi helps to combat iron deficiency anemia. Ragi is also one of the very few natural sources of vitamin D. So for better assimilation of vitamin D in ragi, you need a good source of healthy fat like A2 desi ghee or wood pressed oils. So only if you include a good source of healthy fat the vitamin D in ragi will be assimilated into your body. For those who don't know how ragi flakes are made, the millet ragi is soaked for about 6 to 10 hours so that it swells up, and then it is dried till it holds a little moisture, and then it is pressed between iron rollers. Since the millet is soaked for 6 to 10 hours, there is no issue regarding digestibility. The longer you soak the millet, the phytates will be released. Hence, soaking millets for longer period is very important. Only then the phytates can be removed, and that will lead to better nutrient absorption. So these are organic ragi flakes. I have already shared a couple of recipes with the ragi flakes. Please do check them out. And once it boils, reduce the flame to the lowest. Add in 1/4 cup of ragi flakes. Give it a stir. Cover and allow the ragi flakes to swell up. 2 minutes later, let's check on the soup. As you can see, the ragi flakes has swelled up and the soup has slightly thickened. If you want a slightly thicker soup, you can add in 1/3 cup or up to 1/2 cup of ragi flakes. So this is the consistency I prefer, so I used 1/4 cup. If you prefer slightly thicker soup, you can add in 1/3 cup or even 1/2 cup. So I'm simmering the soup for another 2 to 3 minutes. Another 2 minutes later, you can see that the soup has thickened. At this stage, I'm turning off the flame, and then I'm adding in the chopped capsicum. I'm slicing in the onion flower stalks. And give it a good mix. You can check salt, you can add in extra salt if you feel you need more salt. You can add in black pepper powder if you would like more spiciness. And lastly, before serving, I'm adding in a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Give it a good stir. Apple cider vinegar is needed for healthy gut-friendly probiotics. And when you're using apple cider vinegar, make sure you're using the one with the mother. The mother is actually the gut-friendly healthy bacteria. Now, instead of apple cider vinegar, you can use any naturally fermented vinegar of your choice, like maybe coconut vinegar. I've already shared how to make coconut vinegar at home. You can check the recipe. And now my super healthy, filling and nutrient dense ragi soup is ready to serve. And transfer the soup to a serving bowl. A sprinkle of ragi flakes to garnish, and some onion flower stalks sliced. So guys, do try this healthy ragi soup recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.